how to remove Powered by Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our account right here and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to click this online store in the left screen, and then make sure that you are on the themes page. Once you do that on this part, just click the three dots and then click Edit Default Theme Content. So click that, and then you should be redirected in this page. Now what we want to do right here, on the search bar, just search for Powered and then click Enter. Now currently, Shopify has an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months for the basic plan, grow plan, and the advanced plan. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description box and of course the comment section, and then just of course click the link that will be right there. So going back onto our topic, and then as you can see, we now have this 3 sections, which is the checkout general, links, and password page. Now to remove it, all you have to do is to click this and then type space. Same goes for the other one and of course the other one. So let's remove this and then let's click space. And then once you are now done, all you have to do is to click the save button right here, and that should fix your problem. So basically that is how to remove Powered by Shopify.